Okay, so one more thing that we need to do before we can start lighting this whole thing is we also still need to scatter some small, we made these small rocks, remember? So when we did the big rock, we also did a small rock, which is, I think I still have it here. Oh, I need to save it to disk again. Let's click save. So that's this one. So let's scatter this one on the rocks, and I'm just gonna use one because, well, it doesn't make it, well, you can also use a variation of a couple, but I happen to use one because it does also, if you use one instance to render, it's gonna be quite a bit faster than going through it. Because if you're gonna, like we did with the coral, going through multiple instances, it's going to really need to, well, first off, it needs to go through all of the points and assign all of the models, but also it cannot really subdivide each model individually. So that's a thing. And if we just scatter one, then we can also use some subdivision stuff on it. Okay, so that's just very basic thing. Let's just copy and paste maybe our, where is it, our coral. Let's just do it in the same type of node. Right, let's just copy and paste it. Call it RDR pebbles or something. Not sure what else I would call them. Let's dive in there. Let's remove the one from the background because we don't really need those. And let's delete the instancing that we did. So we can delete the normal. We can delete the instancing. Don't really need that. Can keep the scatter. So we want to randomize the p-scale, so that's fine. And we also want to do another randomize. So let's do another copy and paste as we randomize. Let's randomize the orient. So that's the orientation of these rocks. Let's put it to 4, because remember, that's going to be a quaternion. Let's put it to 0, 0, 0, and let's put it to global scale 1. So then we get a random quaternion orientation. You could also do it with the normal, but this also works. Okay, so let's go up a level. So now it's not going to really do anything yet. So let's just put an instance object in there. So let's put in our, where is it? Our rock tutorial. Boom. All right. So now you can see we get some nice little pebbles. Maybe we want to make the p-scale a little bit smaller. For some reason that control thing is broken. Sometimes that happens. I'm not sure why that is. Let's do another one. Let's just do another one, like a new one. P-scale 0.08 and then 0.5 and 1 dimension. All right, so now we have some pebbles. So it's gonna use that one. Yeah, so now we have everything. So with everything in the scene, we can now head over to the next part, and then we're gonna start creating some lights. I'm going to show you how to make a procedural pattern to generate caustics from the surface. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna look at render settings, and then we're gonna render the entire thing, probably just one frame, and then we're gonna composite it. And yeah, so gonna be super interesting. So let's continue.